Nutrient pollution is one of the most widespread, costly, and challenging environmental problems of the 21st century. It's caused by excess nitrogen and phosphorus in water, which can lead to overgrowth of plants and algae in aquatic ecosystems. The Global Water Futures project at the Global Institute for Water Security, University of Saskatchewan, has developed a mobile application to support on-farm, instantaneous, community-based nutrient sampling to help farmers and citizens to identify hotspots of contamination and support nutrient management.
To measure nitrate, all you need to do is dip one test strip into the water that you wish to examine. Then, take an image with the Nutrient app of the test strip against the reference sticker located on the back of the bottle. To measure phosphate, you will need to collect a water sample using the vial provided in the phosphate test kit. After mixing in 6 drops from each of the 2 reagents found in the kit, take an image with the Nutrient app of the vial atop the reference card provided in the test kit. Read the step-by-step guides in the app and test kits carefully on how to take the photo to obtain the best results.
Once you have taken an image of the test, follow the app instructions to obtain an estimated concentration of either nitrate or phosphate. These results will then be stored in your phone and you will be given the opportunity to share them online. You can visualize your measurements in a geo-referenced map in the app or through the app's website.
This app can help you monitor nutrient concentrations in rivers, wetlands, lakes, and wells. It can help you identify hotspots of contamination and empower you to take remedial action to reduce nutrient pollution.